Imagine a world where fresh, local produce is available year-round, regardless of climate or season. Picture towering farms, not in sprawling fields, but integrated into the very fabric of our cities. This is the promise of vertical farming, an innovative approach to agriculture that is rapidly gaining traction worldwide. Vertical farming is about growing crops in vertically stacked layers, often in controlled environments within urban settings. It's a revolutionary concept that has the potential to transform our food systems and reshape our cities. Vertical farming is not just a futuristic vision, it's a rapidly growing reality. Driven by factors like climate change, urbanization, and the need for sustainable food production, vertical farms are popping up in cities around the globe. From Singapore to Dubai, from New York to Tokyo, these vertical oases are bringing food production closer to consumers while reducing the environmental impact of traditional agriculture. The world's population is booming, and with it, the demand for food is skyrocketing. By the year 2050, we will need to produce 50% more food to feed an estimated 9.7 billion people. This presents a monumental challenge, particularly as traditional agriculture faces increasing pressure from climate change, land degradation, and water scarcity. Vertical farming offers a compelling solution to these challenges. By growing food vertically, we can dramatically reduce our reliance on land, using up to 99% less space compared to traditional farming. This is particularly critical as arable land per person continues to dwindle, projected to be less than 0.20 hectares by 2050. Imagine, a single vertical farm the size of a football field can produce the same amount of food as 100 acres of farmland. This makes vertical farming an incredibly efficient use of space, especially in densely populated urban areas where land is scarce and expensive. Vertical farming utilizes a variety of innovative techniques to grow crops in a controlled indoor environment. These methods are designed to optimize plant growth while minimizing resource consumption. Let's delve into the three most common methods: hydroponics, aeroponics, and aquaponics. Hydroponics is the most widely used method in vertical farming. In this method, plants are grown without soil, with their roots immersed in a nutrient-rich water solution. This allows for precise control over nutrient delivery, resulting in faster growth rates and higher yields. Next, we have aeroponics, a fascinating method where plant roots are suspended in the air and periodically sprayed with a fine mist of nutrient solution. Aeroponics systems use even less water and fertilizer than hydroponics, making them highly resource efficient. Lastly, aquaponics combines fish farming with hydroponics in a closed-loop system. Fish waste provides nutrients for the plants, while the plants filter the water for the fish, creating a symbiotic relationship that minimizes waste and maximizes resource utilization. Vertical farming is a hotbed of technological innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in agriculture. Cutting-edge technologies are being employed to monitor, control, and optimize every aspect of the growing process, from lighting and climate to nutrient delivery and pest management. One of the key technologies used in vertical farming is LED lighting. These lights can be customized to emit specific wavelengths of light that are optimal for photosynthesis, promoting faster growth and higher yields. Furthermore, the Internet of Things, or IoT, is transforming vertical farms into intelligent ecosystems. Sensors collect real-time data on temperature, humidity, light intensity, and nutrient levels, allowing for precise adjustments to the growing environment. This data-driven approach ensures optimal growing conditions and minimizes resource waste. Robots and automation are also playing an increasingly important role in vertical farms, automating tasks such as planting, harvesting, and packaging, further enhancing efficiency and productivity. Section 5. Different types of vertical farms, from buildings to shipping containers. Vertical farms come in various shapes and sizes, each tailored to specific needs and environments. While multi-story buildings dedicated to vertical farming are gaining popularity, other innovative models are emerging. Let's explore some of the most common types of vertical farms. Plant factories with artificial lighting, or PFALs, are perhaps the most iconic type of vertical farm. These are multi-story buildings specifically designed and built for vertical farming, often located in urban areas. Then there are container farms, which are smaller-scale vertical farms housed within repurposed shipping containers. These modular units can be easily transported and set up in various locations, making them ideal for urban and peri-urban areas. In-store farms are gaining popularity, bringing vertical farming directly to consumers. These small-scale farms are integrated into supermarkets, restaurants, and other retail spaces, allowing customers to purchase freshly harvested produce on the spot. Section 6. The benefits of growing up. Advantages of vertical farming. Vertical farming offers a compelling solution to many of the challenges facing traditional agriculture. By bringing food production closer to consumers and adopting sustainable practices, vertical farms provide a wide range of benefits. One of the most significant advantages is the ability to grow more food with less space. Vertical farms can achieve significantly higher yields than traditional farms, allowing us to produce more food on less land. Furthermore, vertical farms can grow crops year-round, regardless of the season or climate. This means a consistent supply of fresh local produce even in the middle of winter. Vertical farming drastically reduces the need for pesticides and herbicides. By growing crops in a controlled environment, pests and diseases can be effectively managed without relying on harmful chemicals. Section 7. Overcoming the obstacles. Challenges in vertical farming. While vertical farming holds immense promise, it is not without its challenges. Overcoming these obstacles is crucial for the widespread adoption and success of this innovative approach to agriculture. One of the main hurdles is the high initial investment cost. Building a vertical farm requires significant capital expenditure, especially for multi-story facilities with advanced technologies. Energy consumption is another challenge, as vertical Section 8. Sustainability in action. Vertical farming and the environment. Vertical farming is inherently more sustainable than traditional agriculture, offering a way to produce food while minimizing our environmental footprint. By reducing land use, conserving water, and minimizing waste, vertical farms can help address some of the most pressing environmental challenges. Vertical farms use significantly less water than traditional farms, as water can be recycled and reused within a closed-loop system. This is critical in a world facing increasing water scarcity. By growing food in cities and urban areas, vertical farms reduce the distance food travels from farm to table. This minimizes transportation costs, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and supports local food systems. Vertical farms can also help mitigate climate change by reducing reliance on fossil fuels, promoting carbon sequestration, and minimizing agricultural runoff. Vertical farms contribute to a more sustainable future. Section 9. A vision for the future. Vertical farming's potential. Vertical farming is not just about growing food, it's about reimagining our relationship with nature, with our cities, and with our food systems. As technology continues to advance and the global demand for food continues to rise, vertical farming has the potential to play a pivotal role in creating a more sustainable and food-secure future. Imagine a future where fresh, local produce is available to everyone, regardless of income or zip code. Imagine cities transformed into vibrant green spaces, with vertical farms providing not only food but also clean air, jobs, and a connection to nature. This is the future that vertical farming can help us create. By embracing innovation, investing in research and development, and supporting the growth of this burgeoning industry, we can unlock the full potential of vertical farming and cultivate a more sustainable and equitable food system for generations to come.